Hello, everyone. So today we're going to talk about noble gas configurations. So in your Edmodo, scroll until you find the post that says noble gas configuration. We have the link for the reading. We have our practice questions, and we have my email that you can send your answers to. So this is kind of building off of the electron configuration for valence electrons and just electron configuration in general. So noble gas configurations, what we are looking at is the last column in the periodic table. So this is the last column on the right, and they're called the noble gases. Okay, they have 8 valence electrons. All right, so if we look at, let's say, sodium has the element number 11. Okay, it's the first element in the third period of the periodic table, so its electron configuration is right here. Now, the first 10 electrons, the ones that are in the inner shell orbitals, or the inner shell electrons, excuse me, this is exactly the same as the configuration of neon. So that is the noble gas that precedes sodium. All right? So how we do noble gas configuration is we write the noble gas symbol. Okay, so if we're using sodium, for example, we know that we have the same configuration as neon in the 1 and 2 principal energy levels. All right, so we write neon. So neon is going to be this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It substitutes for this configuration that comes before the third energy level. All right. So we know that it's not just neon we have, but we have neon plus the electron in the outermost energy level, the third principal energy level, the 3s sublevel. So we write neon, and then right next to it we put the 3s1. Okay, so this is, you can do this with everything that's in the same period. So as you move from left to right, you just add 1 electron, so you keep the neon there, and then you keep adding electrons into the third principal energy level and put them in the sublevels as they increase. All right. So potassium has 19 electrons, 1 more than argon. So you put argon 4s1. All right. So you just put the previous noble gas plus the electron that in the electron or electrons in the next energy sublevel. If you need to remember the energy sublevels, the order that they get filled in, please review Hund's rule. So make sure you finish your questions, turn them into me.